How to join WhatsApp group with QR code. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the WhatsApp application and tap on the chat, and here as you can see the QR code which you can use to join the group. So what you have to do is tap on these three dots and tap on save. After the QR code has been saved, you can go to the cam scanner and simply tap on the QR code, and here you will get the option to join the group, and you can simply tap on join groups. And the other way what you can do is you can simply tap on the links provided below the QR code, and here you will find the options to join the group, and simply tap on join group and you will be able to join the group using QR code. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.